Let me show you in a few minutes how to edit shorts in Davinci Resolve. So first of all, you need to transfer your files from your phone to your computer. So mine is connected with the USB cable, and I browse into my phone and go to the DCIM folder, camera, and find the latest video files. You can see the date on the file name, so I can choose everything I've shot today. So I have 12 items in total. I'm going to cut them, create a new folder on my desktop, name it Davinci Resolve Shorts Video Editing, and paste all of them here. So why do I have multiple shorts here? Because I want to create shorts for 1 week or 2 weeks inside 20 minutes. So I write down multiple ideas for shorts, then just shoot them in one take. And this way I save a lot of time and energy. And I can schedule them on YouTube to go out on different days. So I can completely forget about posting shorts for 2 weeks. Let me show you at the end how to schedule your shorts on YouTube. Still waiting for the transfer. Okay, now I have my files here. Let me open a new project. Let's call it Davinci Resolve Shorts Video Editing. And now the first thing to do is to go to the Edit tab and bring the files here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of them, but let's see. Change frame rate, yes. Okay. And now let's go to the File and Project Settings and change the default resolution into vertical resolution and click Save. Then we can add all of the files on my timeline. Zoom out from here. Okay. First thing to do is to normalize the audio. This way you make sure that the volume is loud enough. How to do that? Select all files, right click, and select normalize audio levels independent, and preset is YouTube, normalize. As you can see, now the waveform is louder. Let's adjust these. And to see a bigger preview of the video, you can click on this button it makes it easier to edit your shorts. You can also hide the inspector if you want to make more space. Okay, how to cut the shorts. I'm just going to show you the first one and do a time lapse of the rest, so you don't need to watch me editing 12 or more shorts. So let's zoom in, go to the beginning. And here we can see that I start talking at this point. So I can grab from the beginning and drag it in. Bring the file back to the start. And now it's a good moment to wear my headphones to actually hear what I'm saying. And I'm going to start cutting the video to individual shorts. Before, I felt uncomfortable making shorts. You know, doing anything for the first time feels weird at first, but it shouldn't stop you. I think it's the need to be good at it when you start, but you know, that's impossible. The better way is to... Okay, this part I didn't like. It's a bad take. So to cut this, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus B. Then I can grab from the next clip, bring it to the right, move the playhead here. The better way is... Okay, looks good. And then bring them back together. The better way is to... Okay, super simple. The better way is to have a plain... The better way is to have a playful mindset. The better way is to have a plain... Actually, I didn't like this take either. We're gonna move it here. The better way is to have a playful mindset. Experiment. Now, after... There's a big pause. We can cut this out. So again, Control B, bring this clip here. Okay, let's see. Playful experiment. Now, after posting about 20 shorts this month, I start to see what works and what doesn't, and it doesn't feel weird anymore. Okay. How did I get started in the creator economy? Okay, that is the first short. So I only had to make 3 cuts. Now I'm gonna do a time lapse for the rest. Okay, I've got the shorts. Now, if I want to add captions, how do I do that? Go to the timeline and realize that the free version doesn't contain the option. To be honest, automatic captions are starting to be a little bit a thing of the past because most social media platforms are already showing automatic subtitles, even on shorts. So we don't need them, which is great. So that's the basics. How about if I want to adjust the color, let's say? What I can do is I can create a adjustment layer. Let's go into the effects and search for adjust, toolbox, adjustment clip. I can drag it here on the video track tool. And then in the color tab, if I need to do something, I can go to color wheels, change to color wheels actually if I prefer to use those. And here I can change the color temperature, change the contrast to mid detail, if it's soft or sharp. I can decrease shadows or increase them. And same with the highlights. But with this footage, you know, sunlight and me walking outside is changing how it looks all the time, so I don't need to touch this too much. Anyway, doing it like this allows me to adjust the whole sequence at once because the adjustment clip will overlay the same settings on each clip on the timeline. So now we are ready to export them. So we can go to the last tab, the Deliver tab. We select YouTube from the top. Hit first shorten name. How to edit shorts in Davinci Resolve. And choose a location. So now this is important because we are rendering individual clips, individual shorts, not the whole timeline. We need to select in and out range. A final thing to check in the preset is to select normalize audio and select optimize to standard. This optimizes the audio levels for YouTube. So now on the timeline, to only select the first clip, I'm gonna move the playhead here and press O on the keyboard. And then click Add to Render Queue. Then we go to the next one, press I on the keyboard, press O on the keyboard, change the file name, add to render queue, in, out, add to render queue, in, out, render queue, and so on. I have 12 shorts ready for rendering. To render all of them, scroll up to the start of the list, hold down Shift and click on the first one so you have all of them selected and click Render All. And for the final step, I will show you how to schedule the shorts on YouTube to have them go out in the next 12 days. Now it has finished rendering the videos and we can upload them on YouTube. Upload video. Let's find the folder edited. We start editing them one by one. Okay, I'll only show you the first one so you don't have to watch me again scheduling for all videos. We give the short a name, then optional is on description. So here at the last tab, You select public and schedule, and you simply choose the next day. You don't have anything scheduled. I think my next day is 28th, so I'm going to choose that. And the suitable time to post it, let's say 2 p.m. local time. And schedule. And that's how you do it. If you want to learn more about Davinci Resolve, watch one of these videos next.